Today we are going to learn how to make our Sprite change colors and how to clone ourselves. Let's start. First of all, you need to create a new project. So over in the upper left-hand corner by Scratch, there's a Create button, so click Create. Now we're in the workspace. I'm going to move my Sprite over here, and I want him to change colors. So I wonder where that would be over here. Well, it's probably in the purple button, which is Looks. So I come over here and I look through my scripts and I find Change Colors. But then what I need to somehow start the project, so I'm going to click on the events and I'm going to click when the flag is clicked. Okay, let's try it. So when the flag is clicked, he does indeed change colors. But I think I want this to happen over and over again without me having to continually click the flag. So I'm going to come to the control, which is in the orange, and I'm going to grab a repeat block. And I think maybe I will repeat this 5 times. Let's click the flag and see what happens. Okay, he changed colors, but I think maybe because I couldn't see it, I'm going to go back to the control, which is orange, and I'm going to grab a wait block. Now let's click the flag. And as you can see, there is a second in between each color change. Well, that was fun. Let's try to add something else in there. I think it might be fun if we actually cloned the Sprite. So under Control, which is orange, you're going to go down and there's a script that says create a clone of myself. So I'm going to stick that in there. Let's click the flag. And let's see if he cloned himself. Yes, the Sprite cloned himself, but I couldn't tell where the Sprite went to. It looked like he cloned himself, but he cloned himself exactly at the same space where the original Sprite was. So I think I want my Sprite to move just a little bit. So I'm going to go back to my motion, and I think I'm going to grab change X by 10. Let's try it. Alright, my Sprite is cloning himself. But again, there wasn't much space in between each Sprite, so maybe instead of changing X by 10, we can change X by a larger number. So I'm going to try 75. Alright, our Sprite cloned himself, but now look. The original Sprite is clear to the end. So I don't want the Sprite to stay clear to the end. I want him to begin over here. And notice that when I move him, my X value changes. It's minus or negative 152. Now it's negative or minus 105. Now it's minus 21 or negative 21. Well, I want him to start back here. So my value right now is negative 181 and negative 124. So yours can be different. It doesn't have to start back there. But underneath the when the flag is clicked, it's going to go now to negative 181 and negative 124. So the Y value is the up and down. So let's watch how the Y changes. Now the Y is negative 89. Now the Y is negative 52. Now the Y is negative 9. So the Y is the up and the down, and the X is the side to side. Okay, let's try it again. Alright, I think finally I would like to put my Sprite in a fun background. So I'm going to click on the backgrounds, which is the mountains here, with a little plus sign on it. So I'm going to click the background and I'm going to go and find a fun background. Maybe I'll click on party. I'll go ahead and start this again. Click on the flag. And there we have it. Our Sprite changes color and it clones himself. Finally, you need to click Save Now. So if you click Save Now, that's going to save your project. It says project saved, and now that goes away, and that means that my final changes were saved in Scratch. Please make sure you do that because it is no fun to lose work. All right, well, have fun playing with this and see what else you can create. Maybe instead of just trying some of these scripts, you can try some other ones as well. Have a good day, guys, and have fun.